So I just got done shoveling the walk, and we just had to clear a tree that was down across our driveway. Big branches fell out. It's all piled up over there. Came home at 2 something last night, and there was a PSE&G truck in our driveway, and he was stuck, so they had to pull him out, and we had branches down and all this snow, as you can see. So from what turned yesterday into what we thought could have been minor, it's actually kind of major. Tricky coming home. I just thought I'd fill you in on what this storm turned into. Remember yesterday it was just grass and some flakes. Now it's all falling out of the trees and crazy stuff. Alright, we'll see you.